Right then guys, so we've had another disaster in the garden. As you can see, cabbage isn't looking too good, and I noticed some of the leaves are all starting to rot. This is due to all the rain we've had, and it's just gathered in the base of the leaves and started to rot away. And let's have a closer look. As you can see, rotting in the middle there, under these leaves. Look at the size of that worm. But under these leaves there's a hole here, and I can feel the base here is all soft. So don't think we're going to be having a giant cabbage this year. Lesson learned again. This year's full of them. Let's try and cover it when bad weather's due. So absolutely gutted about that, but I think we're going to have to pull him out. Such a shame. Look at the size of that leaf. Oh well, always next year. To learn from these mistakes, and all we can do is better what we do next year. It's one of the dead giveaways, all the flies everywhere. Absolutely great. See, that was where it was rotten. Right through the stem. All the way up to the core. All rotten in the middle there. The size of that worm. There's a monster. He can stay in there. Right, so all is not lost. I do have one more giant variety left, but this has been held back in this small pot, so I'm not sure what it'll do, but it's worth a go. Give it here a good turn in. Add in some fresh chicken new pellets. Close that. flags off the side. See a couple of worms in there. Pop him in the hole. Fill that up. Just chuck in a bit of this stuff around the edges just to fill it up a little bit more. Give that a good watering and hope for the best, but absolutely gutted about that. Like I said, it's a lesson learned for next year. Doesn't look like we're going to have much going to Malvern this year, but I'm still going to be going. Booked our hotel, booked our tickets, so still have a good time. Who knows, might catch up.